out in the sun. Beautiful color. Just looking at all that carbon. All the carbon on that splitter just pops out here in the sun. All right, we're going for a quick test drive. We have 14,199 miles on the odometer. If you see any flickering on the screens here, that is just in camera. That would not be in person. I am in manual mode here. You can see the steering wheel's perfectly straight. I don't feel any vibrations, shakes, or shimmies. Feel any vibrations in the wheel. Shifts perfectly smooth, no complaints there. Steering wheel was straight, alignment's perfect, brakes are solid, zero complaints with the drivability. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle panel by panel. So to start things off, full front clip PPF, full fender, full hood, and all the carbon. No film on the headlights though. You also have film on the side mirrors. And then you have film on that very edge of the carbon, not the whole thing, just that very edge. And then you're going to see it right here on that lower section till about right there. Nothing else on the doors or any of this until you get right here on that edge, and it stops there, and it stops right here. So it's like the tiny little piece there, nothing there, and then the little strip on that carbon. Looking at the fender, paint looks beautiful here on this wheel. I don't see any curb rash around the edges. I'm sure there's a couple little rock impacts here and there. Side mirror looks good. That A-pillar looks nice. Carbon looks amazing. Now they do have a gash right there. You can see that. The edge of this has PPF on it as well. Just that little strip. Nothing there. That looks good. You can see how pretty the paint is. Looks amazing. Awesome color. Here on that wheel, I don't see any rash. Like I said, no film on the headlights, so you're gonna have little rock impacts. And then looking at the edge, nice and clean. There are a couple impacts in the film. It's hard to tell if that is underneath. That looks like it's just on the surface. I'm not seeing anything really underneath the film. Little snag there. Upper section looks good. Full front clip PPF. All of this is protected. There are little bug spots, little bug etching in the film. You get at that right angle. On the underside, you can see there is rash right there. Pretty heavy, but they did put this little protector on after the fact. You do have rash on the very edge right there. A little bit right there as well. And then you're going to see this new protection stuff that they added. after the fact though. They already hit it. But when you just walk around the car with a foot off the ground, you're not going to really see any of that except that little spot. Fender looks good. That wheel's clean. All of that looks nice. You got one rock chip right there. That looks good. Carbon's clean. Looking at the edge. Now there's a couple light swirls from just like everyday washing. Everything else looks good. You have a larger chip right here. Now this is gonna have the flaws from the heat kind of fading it, I would say. The rest of that looks good though. Look at all this carbon. Yeah, film, like I said, in here, protecting that little area. And then it's gonna have those little protectors on the underside of these diffuser pieces, but you're gonna see they've already been gashed. See if you get really close, you're gonna see it's already shaved the edges off. That one being the worst of them. But other than that, I'm not seeing any other damage. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Looking at that panel, all of that looks awesome. You do have your carbon here, so you're gonna see your typical flaws down the bottom side. Looking at this piece, you do have some scratches from getting in and out. A little bit of wear on that bolster. Looking at that bolster though, that looks really good. Upper section looks nice. I'm not seeing really any other flaws. Now this is matted down pretty good. If you look up close, you're gonna see all of that. It's matted, and then you're gonna see all the wear here. That looks good. Carpets here are clean. Those carpets look good. All the carbon here is in great condition. No scratches on the screen. All of that is clean. All right, looking at this panel, trying to scan through it, see any flaws. So far, all of that looks perfect. Most doors on these cars are, just because they don't get hit with the foot and all that stuff when people get in and out. You do see some lines in the leather, a few little scuffs. Here on that bolster, a couple little scuffs. That side looks really nice though. Upper section looks good. Middle's nice. Here on that carbon, looks really good. Dash looks good.